Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing an unboxing of two things. One is the Samurai F-580 DryPak case. It's basically a dry box, and the other one is this Eirmai Electronic Dehumidifier HC63C. So both of these were given by a friend with a very good heart, and I would like to express my thanks towards him for giving me these items for free. Thank you a lot. Alright, let's get straight into the unboxing. So first up we have the Samurai F-580 DryPak case. I'm gonna try and do this the best I can since I'm behind a tripod, and I'm gonna try and do this the best way possible. Alright. Right, so we find that the dry box is very nicely packed in. So we find that the dry box is nicely wrapped in bubble wrap inside the box. Just put this box aside first. Alright, so this is a 6-liter dry box. It has a very nice weight to it. Let's start unwrapping the bubble wrap, shall we? Alright. Alright, so inside the bubble wrap, the dry box is wrapped again in plastic. I'm gonna be very careful in opening this. And there we have the dry box itself. It's a very solid dry box, and you can see that there's a humidity meter here, which currently reads at around 50%. Some branding here which I will not take off. So this dry box has 4 locks, you may call it. They're very sturdy, and it has some type of sealing all around it. And this is the humidifier meter, as you can see. I'm going to put that aside, and inside we have some silica gel which they provide, and we have some soft padding inside here. So I'm gonna put that aside, and we're gonna be unboxing the electronic dehumidifier. Alright, so this is the electronic dehumidifier. Let's see, there's a seal here. My pen knife. My very blunt pen knife. Right. And right out of the box we get the electronic dehumidifier. That's about it in the box, and I believe that there is a a charger inside here that we can use to charge this up back. And I think that's all for my first impressions and unboxing of these two items. Thank you again to my friend who doesn't want to be named. He's a very kind guy. I hope to do a full review soon of both these two items. I guess that's it for this video. See you in the next one.